Moxibustion is an ancient healing practice from traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. It involves burning dried mugwort, a plant with therapeutic properties, near acupuncture points on the body. This is believed to stimulate energy flow, promote healing, and improve overall well-being. The image shows a serene Moxibustion session, with a practitioner gently applying moxa to a patient's back in a dimly lit, warm environment. Moxibustion is a gentle, relaxing therapy that has been used for centuries to address a variety of health concerns. Moxibustion is an ancient Chinese therapy that uses the herb mugwort to stimulate acupuncture points. Traditionally, it was believed to balance the flow of energy, improve circulation, and promote healing. Today, Moxibustion is often integrated into a holistic approach to wellness, used alongside other therapies like acupuncture and herbal medicine. The modern approach views Moxibustion as one component of a comprehensive strategy for achieving optimal health and well-being. Moxibustion has ancient roots, dating back over 2,000 years to the Warring States period in ancient China. During the Han Dynasty, the use of moxa for therapeutic purposes became more widespread, solidifying its place in traditional Chinese medicine. Moxibustion later spread to Japan and Korea, where it continued to be developed and refined throughout the medieval period. This ancient practice has a rich history, evolving over centuries across East Asia. Moxibustion is an ancient Chinese therapy that aims to restore harmony and balance within the body's energy system. It focuses on stimulating and regulating the flow of vital energy, or qi, through the body. Moxibustion targets specific acupuncture points on the body in order to influence the flow of this vital energy. By working with the body's energy system in this way, Moxibustion can help address a variety of health concerns and promote overall well-being. The yin-yang principle is a fundamental concept in traditional Chinese medicine, including the practice of Moxibustion. Yin energy is associated with coolness, stillness, and inwardness. In Moxibustion, it's linked to relaxation, nourishment, and restoration. Yang energy represents warmth, movement, and outwardness. In Moxibustion, it's associated with activity, stimulation, and protection. The goal of Moxibustion is to harmonize these opposing yet complementary yin and yang energies within the body, creating a state of balance and well-being. This balance is essential for maintaining good health and supporting the body's natural healing processes. Qi is the vital life force that flows through the body, sustaining our health and well-being. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that aims to regulate and harmonize the flow of qi, promoting balance and reducing imbalances in the body. Specific points on the body, known as acupuncture points, are targeted during Moxibustion to influence the flow of qi and bring the body into a state of harmony. The vibrant, dynamic imagery on the slide represents the energetic nature of qi and the way it moves through the body's meridians. Moxibustion is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to maintain health and address a variety of health concerns by working with the body's vital energy. Meridians are the energy channels that run throughout the body, connecting vital organs and tissues. These meridians are central to traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture. Acupuncture points are specific locations along these meridians that are targeted during acupuncture treatment. By stimulating these points, practitioners aim to influence the flow of energy, or qi, through the body. Understanding the meridian system and key acupuncture points is fundamental to practicing traditional Chinese medicine. Moxibustion is a key component of traditional Chinese medicine, which takes a holistic approach to healthcare. The goal is to address the root causes of illness and restore balance and harmony within the body. It's believed that Moxibustion stimulates and regulates the flow of qi, or vital life energy, throughout the body. By working with this energy, Moxibustion can help alleviate a wide range of symptoms, from pain and inflammation to digestive issues. The traditional setting of a Chinese medicine clinic, with its herbal remedies, acupuncture needles, and calming decor, evokes a sense of ancient wisdom and healing. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that uses the heat of burning moxa, a dried mugwort herb, to stimulate acupuncture points and promote healing. There are several different types of Moxibustion techniques, each with its own unique application and benefits. Direct moxibustion involves directly applying the moxa to the skin, creating warmth and stimulation. This is one of the most common and straightforward moxibustion methods. Indirect moxibustion uses a material like ginger or garlic to reduce the heat intensity, making it more comfortable for the patient. Warming moxibustion focuses on warming the area around an acupuncture point to promote blood flow and healing. Moxa cone moxibustion involves burning a cone-shaped moxa directly on an acupuncture point, creating a focused and intense heat. Each of these techniques has its own unique benefits and applications, and the practitioner will choose the most appropriate method based on the patient's condition and needs. Direct moxibustion is a technique where the moxa is placed directly on the skin, rather than using an indirect method. This is considered the most effective and stimulating moxibustion technique. The practitioner holds a burning moxa stick or cone near or directly on the acupuncture point to apply the heat. Direct moxibustion creates a focused, intense heat sensation, which helps invigorate the energy flow and stimulate circulation. This technique is often used when a strong, stimulating effect is desired. Indirect moxibustion is a gentler and more comfortable form of moxa treatment. In ginger moxibustion, moxa is placed on a slice of ginger. The warming properties of ginger enhance the heat penetration of the moxa. Garlic moxibustion involves applying moxa to a garlic clove. The pungent aroma of garlic is believed to open the pores and enhance the efficacy of the moxa. This method is less common than ginger moxibustion. Both ginger and garlic moxibustion provide a more soothing and comfortable experience for the patient compared to direct moxa application. Moxa cones and sticks are two common forms of traditional Chinese medicine used for heat therapy. Moxa cones are conical in shape, providing a focused and intense heat that is often used to warm specific acupuncture points. Moxa sticks are cylindrical and longer, offering a more gentle and sustained heat that can be used to warm larger areas of the body. Both moxa cones and sticks are made from the dried leaves of the mugwort plant and are lit to produce the desired warmth and therapeutic effects. The heat from moxa can help improve circulation, relieve pain, and promote healing in the body. Moxa boxes are small, wooden containers with a lid. A burning moxa stick is placed inside the box. The heat from the moxa is directed towards the acupuncture point. Moxa boxes provide a gentle and even heat application. Moxa cylinders are made of bamboo or wood. They have a hollow center that allows for airflow and controlled heat. Moxa cylinders are used for warming larger areas or specific acupuncture points. The hollow design of the cylinders helps regulate the heat. Moxa is an important tool in traditional Chinese medicine, used to provide warmth and stimulate acupuncture points. There are three main types of moxa: cones, sticks, and cylinders. Each has different properties and uses. Moxa cones provide a focused, intense heat, making them well-suited for warming specific acupuncture points. Moxa sticks offer a more gentle, sustained heat, allowing them to be used for warming larger areas of the body. Moxa cylinders have a hollow center to allow for airflow and controlled heat. They can be used to warm both specific points and larger areas. The choice of moxa type depends on the treatment goals and the area of the body being addressed. Moxa is the key ingredient used in moxibustion, a traditional Chinese therapy. Preparing moxa involves several important steps to ensure its quality and potency. First, the mugwort is thoroughly cleaned and dried to remove any impurities. Next, the dried mugwort is ground into a fine powder and rolled into sticks or cones. The consistency of the moxa powder affects how it burns during the treatment. Moxa is sometimes aged for a period of time to enhance its therapeutic properties. Proper storage is also crucial. Moxa should be kept in an airtight container away from moisture and sunlight. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese medical technique that requires specialized expertise and training to perform safely. Practitioners must have extensive knowledge of moxibustion and the proper techniques to apply it correctly. Thoroughly assessing the patient is crucial to identify any contraindications or potential risks before proceeding with moxibustion. Burn prevention is of utmost importance. The practitioner must use the proper distance and monitor the heat intensity to avoid burns. Clear, Open communication between the practitioner and patient is key to address any concerns or discomfort the patient may experience during the Moxibustion treatment. Moxibustion is generally not recommended during pregnancy, especially in the first trimester, as it can pose risks. Individuals with bleeding disorders should avoid Moxibustion, as it can increase the risk of bleeding. Moxibustion should not be applied to areas with open wounds or infections, as it can increase the risk of inflammation and infection. Individuals with sensitive skin or certain skin conditions may experience irritation or allergic reactions to moxa, so it's important to perform a patch test prior to treatment. Individuals taking certain medications, such as blood thinners or medications that affect skin sensitivity, should consult their healthcare provider before undergoing Moxibustion. Burns are a potential risk with direct Moxibustion, so practitioners must use caution and monitor heat intensity to prevent burns. Some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions to moxa, so it's essential to perform a patch test prior to Moxibustion. Patients may sometimes experience dizziness or nausea during or after a Moxibustion session, especially if they are sensitive to heat. This is generally temporary and resolves on its own. Safety is of the utmost importance in Moxibustion practice. Practitioners should be vigilant in monitoring for any adverse reactions and take appropriate measures to ensure the patient's well-being. Moxibustion is an ancient Chinese therapy that involves burning a special herb on or near the skin to stimulate acupuncture points. It can provide effective pain relief by increasing blood flow and reducing inflammation in the body. Moxibustion promotes better circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to tissues throughout the body. It can also strengthen the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells. The relaxing effects of Moxibustion can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to a greater sense of calm. Additionally, Moxibustion can improve energy levels and vitality, leaving you feeling more energized and rejuvenated. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that uses the warming effect of moxa, a type of mugwort, to stimulate acupuncture points and improve blood flow. By warming the targeted area, Moxibustion increases circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the tissues, which can promote healing and pain relief. The warmth and stimulation from Moxibustion also help reduce inflammation, a common cause of pain, further aiding the body's natural healing process. Additionally, Moxibustion can ease muscle tension by relaxing tight muscles, which can provide relief from pain and discomfort. The gentle, soothing nature of the treatment, as shown in the image, can create a calming and focused experience for the patient, enhancing the therapeutic benefits. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that uses the heat from burning herbs to warm targeted areas of the body. This warming action helps stimulate blood flow and increase oxygen delivery to the tissues in those areas. Improved blood flow at the microvascular level, in the small blood vessels, helps promote better overall circulation and oxygenation throughout the body. This can have benefits for various health conditions by ensuring proper nutrient and oxygen supply to the tissues. The immune system is vital for our health, protecting us from infections and diseases. This slide highlights 3 key ways that Moxibustion can help boost immune function. First, Moxibustion can increase the number of white blood cells, which are the frontline defenders against pathogens and infections. Second, it helps control inflammation, which is a natural immune response that can sometimes become excessive and cause problems. Third, Moxibustion enhances the flow of qi, the body's vital energy, which strengthens the immune system's ability to protect and defend itself. These 3 benefits of Moxibustion demonstrate how it can be an effective natural therapy for supporting and optimizing the immune system. Moxibustion, a traditional Chinese therapy, can be highly effective in treating a variety of respiratory conditions. It works by stimulating circulation and reducing inflammation in the respiratory system, leading to improved lung function. For bronchitis, Moxibustion can help alleviate symptoms like coughing and shortness of breath by reducing inflammation in the bronchial tubes. Moxibustion can also be used to manage asthma symptoms by improving lung function and reducing airway inflammation. Additionally, it can help clear sinus congestion by stimulating blood flow and drainage in the sinuses. Overall, Moxibustion is a safe and natural approach that can provide significant relief for those suffering from various respiratory conditions. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that involves the gentle application of heat to specific acupuncture points on the body. This ancient practice has been used for centuries to address a variety of gynecological issues, including menstrual irregularities, infertility, menopausal symptoms, and painful periods. For menstrual irregularities, moxibustion can help regulate the menstrual cycle and alleviate symptoms like cramping and heavy bleeding. Moxibustion is often used to enhance fertility by improving blood flow to the reproductive organs, which can be beneficial for those struggling with infertility. It can also provide relief for common menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes and night sweats. By promoting relaxation and reducing inflammation, moxibustion can be an effective way to manage the pain associated with menstruation. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that involves the burning of moxa, a type of dried mugwort, to stimulate acupuncture points and promote healing. Moxibustion can be highly effective for treating a variety of digestive disorders by improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and promoting relaxation in the digestive system. It can help regulate overall digestive health by stimulating the flow of qi and blood throughout the digestive tract. For stomach issues like indigestion, nausea, and bloating, moxibustion can provide relief by promoting relaxation and reducing inflammation in the stomach. Moxibustion can also help with constipation by stimulating peristalsis and reducing inflammation in the intestines, leading to more regular bowel movements. For irritable bowel syndrome, moxibustion can help manage symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation throughout the digestive system. Moxibustion is an ancient Chinese therapy that involves burning the herb mugwort on or near the skin to promote healing. It can be particularly beneficial for treating neurological conditions by improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and regulating nerve activity. Stroke recovery. Moxibustion can aid in regaining mobility and function by enhancing blood circulation and reducing inflammation in the affected areas. Pain management. It can help manage neuropathic pain and nerve compression by decreasing inflammation and stimulating blood flow to the affected nerves. Headaches and migraines. Moxibustion can relax tense muscles, improve circulation, and calm the nervous system, providing relief from headaches and migraines. Seizure control. The therapy is believed to help regulate nerve activity and promote relaxation, which can be beneficial for managing seizures. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that involves the burning of moxa, a type of mugwort, to stimulate acupuncture points on the body. It can be an effective treatment for various musculoskeletal problems, including muscle pain and joint pain. For muscle pain, moxibustion helps reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and relax tense muscles, leading to pain relief. For joint pain, moxibustion can help manage stiffness, improve mobility, and promote tissue regeneration, which can alleviate joint discomfort. The warmth and stimulation from the moxa can have a soothing and therapeutic effect on the affected areas. Moxibustion is a safe and natural therapy that can be a valuable complement to other pain management approaches. The moxibustion treatment process involves several key steps to effectively address the patient's health concerns. First, we conduct an initial consultation to discuss the patient's medical history, symptoms, and goals. This helps determine if moxibustion is the appropriate treatment approach. Next, we perform a diagnosis using traditional Chinese medicine principles. This includes assessing the patient's energy flow, qi, and identifying any imbalances through pulse diagnosis and tongue inspection. Based on the diagnosis, we develop a customized treatment plan. This involves targeting specific acupuncture points and selecting the appropriate moxibustion techniques to address the patient's condition. During the moxibustion procedure, we apply moxa to the chosen points using either direct or indirect methods, depending on the patient's needs and preferences. Finally, we monitor the patient's response and adjust the treatment plan as necessary. We may also suggest lifestyle changes or recommend additional therapies to support the patients. I'll begin by discussing how we gather information from the patient to understand their health history and current symptoms. We ask about past medical conditions, current issues they're experiencing, and their lifestyle habits. This gives us important context about the patient's overall well-being. Next, I'll explain how we assess the patient using core principles of traditional Chinese medicine. This includes taking their pulse and inspecting their tongue. These diagnostic techniques help us identify any imbalances in the patient's energy or qi. This informs our understanding of their condition and guides our treatment approach. The goal is to develop a comprehensive picture of the patient's health so we can provide the most effective care. Each patient's treatment plan is tailored to their unique needs, taking into account their health history, symptoms, and personal goals. We identify specific acupuncture points to target based on the patient's diagnosis and the desired outcomes for their treatment. We select appropriate Moxibustion techniques, considering the patient's comfort level and the intended effects of the treatment. The frequency of Moxibustion sessions is determined based on the patient's condition and their progress throughout the treatment. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that uses the heat from burning moxa, or mugwort, to stimulate acupuncture points and promote healing. There are 3 main techniques for performing Moxibustion. Direct Moxibustion applies the burning moxa directly to the skin, creating a strong heat sensation to invigorate energy flow and stimulate circulation. Indirect Moxibustion uses materials like ginger or garlic to reduce the heat intensity, making it a gentler and more comfortable option, especially for sensitive areas. Warming Moxibustion gently warms the area around an acupuncture point to promote blood flow and relieve pain or stiffness. The practitioner will choose the appropriate Moxibustion technique based on the patient's condition and needs. After the Moxibustion treatment, I closely observe the patient's immediate response, looking for any signs of improvement or changes in their symptoms. During regular follow-up sessions, I track the patient's progress over time, make adjustments to the treatment plan as needed, and address any concerns they may have. Open communication between the patient and myself is vital. I encourage the patient to share their experiences and any changes they notice so I can better understand how the treatment is affecting them. Moxibustion, the practice of burning herbs on specific points of the body, is often combined with other therapies to provide a comprehensive approach to health and wellness. When integrated with acupuncture, the synergistic effects of these 2 practices help to regulate the flow of qi, vital energy, and address a wide range of health concerns. Herbal medicine can complement Moxibustion by providing targeted support for specific conditions, enhancing the healing process and promoting overall well-being. Incorporating lifestyle modifications, such as dietary changes, exercise, and stress management, into a Moxibustion-based treatment plan can further support the body's natural healing abilities. This holistic approach, integrating Moxibustion with other therapies, allows for a more personalized and effective treatment plan to address the individual's unique health needs. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that uses the heat from burning mugwort to stimulate acupuncture points. This helps promote the flow of energy and improve circulation in the body. Moxibustion often involves directly applying the heat to the skin, creating a warm, stimulating sensation. Acupuncture is another key component of traditional Chinese medicine. It involves inserting fine needles into specific points on the body to regulate the flow of qi, or life force energy. This helps restore balance and reduce imbalances in the body's natural healing processes. Acupuncture works by accessing and manipulating the body's energy channels to influence overall health and well-being. Moxibustion is a traditional Chinese therapy that involves burning a herb called moxa on or near the skin to stimulate acupuncture points. Moxibustion helps regulate the flow of energy, or qi, in the body and improve blood circulation. Herbal medicine is another key component of traditional Chinese medicine. Herbs are used to target specific imbalances and provide targeted support for various health conditions. Combining Moxibustion and herbal medicine can enhance the effects of both therapies, providing more comprehensive treatment. I'll explain how these 2 modalities work together to address various health concerns in more detail in the next few slides. A balanced, whole foods-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help support the flow of qi, or vital life force, in the body. Regular physical activity like exercise can enhance circulation and energy levels, which are important for maintaining qi balance. Stress management techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help reduce stress, which can disrupt the balance of qi if left unchecked. Quality sleep is vital for the regeneration of qi and overall health and well-being. Being present and attentive to your body and emotions through mindfulness practices can promote a greater sense of harmony and well-being. The resurgence of Moxibustion, an ancient Chinese therapy, is being driven by several key factors. Growing interest in holistic health as people seek natural and alternative treatments for various conditions. Scientific research revealing Moxibustion's potential benefits across a wide range of health issues. Integration of Moxibustion into integrative healthcare settings, making it more accessible to patients. Increased availability of trained Moxibustion practitioners, expanding access for the public. Greater public awareness through media coverage and online resources highlighting this traditional practice. Moxibustion is an ancient Chinese medical practice that involves the burning of moxa, a type of mugwort, to stimulate acupuncture points. Clinical research has shown Moxibustion to be effective in managing various types of pain, including osteoarthritis, lower back pain, and chronic headaches. Studies suggest Moxibustion may also boost the immune system by increasing white blood cell counts and reducing inflammation. There is also research exploring Moxibustion's potential benefits for mental health, including reducing symptoms of anxiety, stress, and depression. Additionally, Moxibustion has been investigated for its ability to improve fertility, particularly in women facing certain infertility challenges. Overall, the research highlights Moxibustion as a promising complementary therapy with applications in pain management, immune function, mental health, and fertility. Integrative healthcare combines conventional and complementary therapies, with Moxibustion playing a crucial role in this approach. Moxibustion is used alongside other therapies like acupuncture, herbal medicine, and lifestyle changes to create personalized treatment plans tailored to each patient's needs. By addressing the underlying causes of health concerns, Moxibustion promotes a holistic approach to well-being. Moxibustion empowers patients to take an active role in their health, making it a valuable tool in patient-centered care. Moxibustion is an ancient East Asian therapy that deserves more rigorous scientific study to validate its efficacy and understand how it works. Standardizing Moxibustion training and practices is important to ensure consistency and safety for patients. Integrating Moxibustion into mainstream healthcare, alongside other therapies, can provide patients with more comprehensive care options. Expanding access to Moxibustion through insurance coverage and more available practitioners will make this therapy accessible to more people. Educating the public about Moxibustion's benefits, safety, and appropriate uses will empower individuals to make informed decisions about their health. Now that we have reviewed this concept, Moxibustion is indeed an ancient healing practice rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, offering a holistic approach to wellness, and has found its application and acceptability in today's modern society as well. This ancient practice is experiencing a resurgence as people seek natural therapies to address various health concerns. Clinical research suggests Moxibustion's effectiveness in pain management, improving circulation, boosting immunity, and promoting overall well-being. The image depicts a peaceful and serene scene of someone experiencing the relaxation and well-being that can come from a Moxibustion treatment. Moxibustion, as an ancient wisdom, remains highly relevant and beneficial in modern times, providing a natural and holistic path to improved health and wellness. Thanks for viewing this mini lecture with us, and we look forward to having you in our next video.